Welcome! Today, we draw and color a lovable teddy bear. Get your paper and coloring tools ready, and let's bring this teddy to life. First, let's sketch out the basic shape of our teddy bear. Start by drawing a big circle in the middle of your paper. This will be the head. Now, let's add some details like a cute little eyes and nose. Ears on top of the head. Wonderful! Now, let's give our teddy some arms and legs. Draw short, rounded lines extending from the sides of the body for the arms, and to longer ones for the legs, teddy's coming to life. Bravo! Our teddy bear is really taking shape now. It's time to add color and make it even more adorable. Choose your favorite colors and start filling in the different parts of the teddy bear. You can use soft, warm tones for a classic teddy look, or get creative with bright and bold colors. Great job on your artwork! Thank you for watching! See you in the next video and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye!